Alright guys, so today we're going to be making a claw on a pole so that I can take my Christmas lights down without getting on a ladder. Anyways, here is a example of what we're going to be drawing. I already made my measurements on a piece of bar steel. And it's just going to work like a claw on a pole. Simple, kind of fun. I'm going to start cutting out some steel. Alright, so now I got all my parts cut out. We are ready to go ahead and start some welding here. We're going to weld all this up, drill the holes out. We're going to montage this next section. So enjoy some music, watch some welding, some drilling, and we'll show you how this goes. Alright, so I'm just going to make sure these are perfect. So I'm going to clamp them together and finish them on the grinder. Alright, so we got the welder out, fully protected. I got a magnet under this metal plate holding my two pieces together. I got 3 pieces I need to weld on this. And we're going to start. So it's going to go black. That's a filter like my goggles. And we're going to go from there. Alright. So that was the first little chunk. I got one solid piece of chunk here for the little claw end. Now we just need to put the back brace onto it. It's hard to grab in my big leather gloves. Alright. And the other side. Alright, so we got our chunk we need welded. That was hot. But there it is. Alright, so we're just chucking in a metal bit. I set my drill press at 680 RPMs. It's just mild steel, but you don't want to overdo these things. I've chosen my hardware using an M4 by 20 millimeters machine screw, 4 flat washers, and an M4 nut. We're just going to raise the bed. And at least we're going all the way through this one, so I don't have to worry about setting a depth on this build. Oh, it's all the way up there. Let's go there, lock the bed down. turn on the laser. So we're just going to drill our holes through our pieces and we should be good. Which I have already marked them of where they need to go. Sorry if you can't see the actual. There you go. Now you might be able to. Not go too well. Always fix stuff, but it's kind of annoying too. It didn't like cutting through this. The bit was actually weaker than this, so that's crap bit. I fixed it. So we're going to go washer piece, washer, piece, and then I'll bolt through it all. There we go. So this is okay. We'll be okay. He's a little shaky. And a bar back here, hold these nice and first we're going to hold up. Next one. Smoky over here. I'm just going to flip it upside down. It's all magnetic.
Yep.
All right. They ain't going nowhere. Alright, this works quick. That's how it works. So I'm gonna press it off.
Recording.
No, this is just us.
Oh.
Let's go this fast.
Oh, nice.
So our completed grabber is built. There's still a couple things I need to adjust on it. Like I said, it's entirely recycled, or almost entirely recycled parts. And because of that, it's not 100% where it should be at right now. Which I plan on building a, modifying it a little bit further to make it a little bit more comfortable to use. And a proper clamp, which I'm getting away with this technique, but it's not the greatest technique. So it is fully functional, and this is kind of funny because all this was meant to do is save some time to pull the lights off my roof, the Christmas lights. So it's on a long pole. And it's kind of like a, if you've seen a pole saw from Fisker, I believe makes it, it has a little lobber on the bottom of it. So you can just clamp off. So it's pretty much the same principle. Just simple mechanic, pulls the airplane wire, it goes down the shaft, through these washers I welded down the side to the claw. So there we are. I'd say that was 2 days to save 10 minutes, but it is what it is sometimes. There was a couple issues. One of my welds wasn't strong enough, so when I heated it to bend the tip, it shattered the weld. So I had to redo that whole part. I did not film it, but the welding part's kind of boring for y'all. You can't really see anything anyways. And after looking at the alignment, I decided I don't know if it's going to focus on that or not. I may cut off that one side there because it hits perfect on there, so I might just make that a flat little clamp right there. Anyways, that's the grabber.